This is my first swing of a golf club in Thailand, in this room, in my condo, and on this simulator in this room. So let's see what it's like. It's set on default at the minute. Wherever it was on when I came in, it's already up. So I'm just gonna have a little few swings and then see what settings there is. Right, let's see how good these swings are. Slice it. 100 yards slice, and then it should reload the next ball, and it shows you the swing as well. Sorry, on the screen, I'll show you a close up of that in a minute. So yeah, you reload the ball, you just stamp on this pedal down here, which I'll also show you. So another swing. Right, I've sussed it all now. So let's have a few swings. I've worked out why there's a blockage. So a couple more swings, and then we're going to check the settings out. Oh, now it's stuck. There's new set. So this is what you do. You basically just go down, click on menu, and then you can basically just pick all the different things. I've just chosen a new driving range. I have noticed you have to have a subscription, which I think I'll find out about, but you can use the driving range part all for free, but I think you have some membership to be able to use the actual course, what's the word called? I've lost my words. You know, the simulated course. So, but I'm gonna have to go on this driving range now, swing a few more balls.
I want to get Nana's house back, and I've been working on my putting. So yeah, let's go do this.
Next up on hole 3 is Happy Gilmore. Gilmore Happy.
I'll get your house back, Nana. So I've been told if I don't behave, I'm gonna get kicked off the tour, and I gotta get Nana's house back. So I'm gonna be on my best behavior for now.
So, I'm actually knackered. The concentration it takes playing golf just to get all them little micro adjustments right to get a decent swing like this. Kills you, and anyone who's up there with the proper elite levels, I don't know how you do it, man. So yeah, I'm mentally drained. I'm just going to show you a little thing outside of here now. As you come out here, we've actually got the perfect place to go and chill out as well. I'll come out of here, I'll go upstairs, and there's a pool, and no one's ever there. So I'll literally walk up a flight of stairs, which I'll show you now, and there should be an empty pool, and I'll just come up there and chill as well. People just can't be asked to walk across to the clubhouse, which is about 13 seconds, because there's another 2 pools in the building, so they'll come over here. So I'll show you now. Check out how cool this is now. Go and do a few laps, stretch off, meditate, get on the balcony and do some cooking. So you come out of the golf room, and then you literally just walk across the landing, up these stairs. Don't worry, there ain't those. And you are the ones climbing them after doing legs yesterday and they're playing golf. Up here to this outdoor area. Now, usually there's nobody here. Prove me wrong. Either way, it's tranquil, especially after just chilling game of golf. Yep, just like I thought, nobody. And then the shower gets pretty cold, so it's nice to have a little ice shower. Got these floating lounges, and then this. And like I say, there's nobody ever here. So I'll just come and chill up here on my own. So yeah, that's an average Wednesday for me. Game of golf, chill out after being at work, all day on the computer. I have now just started a membership up on Buy Me a Coffee. Scan this QR code and go and have a look at it. Might be something you're interested in. You can buy me a coffee on there just to support me and support the campaign that I'm going to be doing, which is a digital nomad workshop, trying to bring somebody over here. There is a competition, it's free to enter, you've just got to subscribe. Anyone who buys me a coffee in support of this workshop will get an extra free entry. So there is nothing to enter. So yeah, let me know if you like this video, comment below where you're from and everything else and all that good stuff. And now I'm going for a dip because I'm tired. Peace.